Ronnie.
Nice to see you.
You actually came in on time today. That's crazy.
Where's Ross at today, you know?
Oh, that's Ross. You know, that douchebag took the day off so he can make the movie. That's Ross. He's crazy, you know.
He is crazy. He's got moxie.
He's got some moxie. Hey, you know we gotta go do that house that M&P is building. You know, that Parashik, you know, that 2 miles south of July.
Yeah. Makes a good pizza.
Oh, that Parashik makes a good pizza. Mamma mia!
Mamma mia!
Well, should we go then?
Yes.
Well, I guess I'll leave the dog to work here.
Whoa! This room is great.
Step out of it, Luigi.
Oh, sorry.
It sucks for him, though.
Yeah.
That has to hurt when you get smashed. Well, here's the furnace we need to fix up. I can't believe they went with the Lennox. They should have got a train. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia.